In this video, let me show you how to change the speed of ETA, so the estimated time of arrival, and let me show you how to manage those settings in Suzuki Vitara. Let's begin. So at the very beginning, let me start by using the home screen of the Suzuki Vitara. Let's choose here the settings. From the list of settings, all you need to do is find here and select the navigation tab, so the second tab from the left. And now all you need to do is scroll down and choose here speed for ETA. So the ETA for local roads, so estimated time of arrival just for local roads. You can choose the recommendation, so you can use the manufacturer calibrated average. If you find that you always arrive later than the GPS says, you should change this to a slower setting. If you always arrive earlier, change it to a faster. This ensures your arrival time is largely accurate, but I think recommendation it's the best possible way for most of the drivers. So let me do it to the recommendation. You can also do the same thing or the motorways and toll roads. As you can see, you can change from recommendation to even 130 kilometers per hour. So you can manually adjust the speed for estimated time of arrival. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.